So hello friends and my dear students. Welcome back to your own channel, that is We Are in Techno World. Now today's program is based on like how to print whether the number is positive, negative or zero. Means let us suppose like you have entered one number and you want to check whether the number is positive or is it a negative number or a zero. So for that purpose you need to use if else condition. So today I am going to tell you that how to use if else condition into the C program. So for that purpose, first of all, you just open code log, then one new file you need to open. You can check the link for this code block software in my video lectures in the below comment box. You could check, and you just install it into your devices so that you could write the program for it. Okay, now just open new file, one new file, empty file you need to open. Okay, do write the syntax first of all, like hash include. You just zoom out your screen with the help of control and plus sign. You could zoom out your screen. Hash include stdio dot h, then int main. This is your main function. Means as soon as you press the F9, then compiler directly jumps into the main function. After that, it checks whether you have been taken the supported header files correctly or not. But first of all, it would jump into the main function. So for int main, you need to use curly braces. If you are starting the curly braces, then you need to end up the curly braces because this is the main body of the main function. This is the main body of the main function. And at last, if you need to use return 0, return space 0, then semicolon sign is mandatory. Okay, so first of all you need to take one number now, key like whether one single number which you have been entered is positive, negative or zero. Okay, so for that purpose obviously you need the conditions, if else condition we would be using over here. But first of all you need a number. So if you need a number, then you just take it with the help of user. So for that purpose we need to pass one message onto the screen. So for that purpose I am taking enter any one number. Okay, so this message is for the user. Then the value would be stored with the help of scanf, and the syntax of scanf says use double inverted commas. Then you just tell to the compiler like which type of variable you are taking. So let us suppose first of all you just give the definition of your number. Let us suppose I'm taking the integer number, so int number. Then in case of a scanf, I'm just telling to my compiler that it is a kind of integer type. So that is my percentage d. Then I need to take comma after that, like where I need to store it. So I need to store of at the address of number, number. All right. Now terminate your line. After that, you need to check like the entered number, means the entered number which the user has been like inputted into this is means the number. If the number is greater than 0, if the number is greater than 0, then again you need to use curly braces. What statement you want to print? If the number is greater than 0, that means it's a positive number. If the number is greater than 0, that means it is a positive number. So print one message now onto the screen. Print one message with the help of printf that the entered the entered number, that is percentage d, is a positive number. You just print one message so that your user would get to know. Okay, so you have taken percentage d over here now. So which value wants to print? The number. Okay, now terminate your line. So the first if statement is complete. This is our first if statement. But if the condition is not true, then we need to tell the compiler that else, means if this condition is not true, then come into the else statement. Then it would come into the else statement and check the next condition, like if the number is less than 0, if the number is less than 0, अगर नंबर छोटा है मीन्स अगर नंबर नेगेटिव है तो क्या करें, तो एक मैसेज स्क्रीन पे प्रिंट कर दें सो दैट यूजर को पता चल जाए दैट द एंटर्ड नंबर इज नेगेटिव. कौन सा वाला नंबर? परसेंटेज डी इज अ नेगेटिव नंबर. ऑलराइट. देन स्कैनफ स्टेटमेंट सेज कि आप डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास को क्लोज करो, उसके बाद कॉमा पुट करो, फिर बताओ कि आप परसेंटेज डी में कौन सा नंबर प्रिंट करना चाहते हो. तो मैंने यहाँ पर बता दिया है कि मुझे तो वही एंटर्ड नंबर ही प्रिंट करवाना है, राइट. तो एल्स इफ कंडीशन इज कंप्लीटेड. नाउ लेट अस सपोज कि लाइक आपकी ये कंडीशन भी ट्रू नहीं है. लेट अस सपोज दिस कंडीशन इज ऑल्सो नॉट ट्रू. Then do come into the next else statement. Means the number is not a positive number. The number is also not a negative number. That means the number is else. Directly you could print the message printf. Else you just printf if the means like if both the conditions are false. That means which one is true? That means the entered number. The entered number is यानी कि परसेंटेज डी इज अ ज़ीरो. So print this message. After that return 0 we have been already taken. Okay, so now save your program with program number 3.c. Now just run your program, build and run, and do check whether it is running properly or not. So enter any one number. Let us suppose 778. So the entered number yani ki 78 is a positive number. Is it true? Yes. Now again you could run ki whether the number is positive or not. For example, negative sign I have taken, then 89. So yes, the entered number, that means minus 89 is a negative number. Okay, so my condition is true for the second, like the second condition is also true. Now third condition, if I want to check, for example 000 I have been entered. मैंने 000 यहाँ पर एंटर किया है, तो मैं चेक करना चाहती हूँ whether it's a positive number, negative number or a zero. Do check. The entered number is 0. Okay, all right. The entered number is 0. So here I have not printed like what I need to print. So that is why it has taken the garbage value. So you just tell to your compiler that the number you want to print. All right. Okay. So this is the program for checking whether number is positive, negative or a 0. Alright, I think this is clear to everyone. So hope you have liked this video. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much.